eat it, they'll be like, say what? It's vegan? So yeah.
Hey guys, it's your girl Chef Joya, and welcome back to my channel. Say what is vegan? Now I know many of you already have my cookbook, Baby It's Just Vegan, and I'm super excited about this new edition because it has all the easy vegan recipes. It's not the easiest because it's jam-packed and full of flavor, but it is absolutely amazing and it's the most asked recipes. So if you don't already got it, go in my description box, click the link, and get your copy of Baby It's Just Vegan. We're getting ready to make my easy vegan spaghetti sauce that is perfect for anyone to enjoy. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys. So we're gonna get ready to get into my easy vegan spaghetti sauce. Now, I know a lot of times people be like, I can just take spaghetti sauce and open a jar and put it around there. Don't nobody want that, okay? You wanna add some flavor to it. Yes, I am making it easy, but as you can see, we're still gonna have some steps to it. Now, the first thing you're gonna wanna go ahead and do is have some chopped veggies because a chunky spaghetti is absolutely amazing. And this one is gonna have no meat substitutes in it. Now, if you decide you wanna go ahead and add some meat substitute to it, you absolutely can. But for the base of my easy vegan recipe, we're gonna have some onions, some sliced mushrooms, some red pepper, yellow pepper, and green bell pepper. So we're gonna go ahead and add that into our olive oil. And I do like to use a good amount of olive oil. Just make sure tomato sauce tastes so much better. All right. And then next we're gonna go ahead and use some garlic. Now, I know y'all always see me use fresh garlic for the most part, but I'm trying to show y'all, don't fear the jarred garlic, okay? It's actually good, especially when you're using recipes that is going to be stewed in sauce, because I like to cook my spaghetti sauce for at least 15, 20 minutes. So, if not an hour, okay? But using this, it's nothing wrong with it, all right? I know that chocolate vegan, she cannot stand jarred garlic, but it's actually really good. So we're gonna add our jarred garlic to it, and I probably did about 2 tablespoons worth because I feel like spaghetti sauce should have a whole bunch of garlic. And then next, everything else just gets dumped right on in. So you're gonna take whatever favorite spaghetti sauce you like, and you're gonna add your spaghetti sauce to your pasta sauce, to your vegetables. Then you're gonna start to season. You're gonna add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. And then we're gonna add some Italian seasoning. Next, we're gonna add in some balsamic vinegar. So we got our balsamic vinegar in there. Now the balsamic vinegar is gonna add some sweetness and body to the spaghetti sauce. And then you also wanna add a little bit of agave nectar. You can use agave nectar or raw cane sugar, whichever one you choose, but you're gonna add a little bit of that to counteract the acidity of the tomatoes. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and add in some Cabernet. You can do a Cabernet or a Pinot Noir. As far as wine, anytime you see me cooking with wine, the key is I'm cooking with it. So once alcohol hits a certain temperature, its effects is gone. It no longer can intoxicate you. All the alcohol is cooked out, so you're just left with the flavor of the wine. So you want to make sure that you use a really good wine because it's going to taste just like that, okay? Next, we're going to add a little bit of vegan beef bouillon. And then we're gonna go ahead and add in my Just Magic seasoning, which is my all-purpose seasoning. It has my salt, my pepper, my garlic powder, my onion powder, and some more herbs in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and season my sauce with that. So we're gonna bring this up to a boil and cover this with a lid and cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes till it's like a nice rich color, and it'll be ready to top the spaghetti. All right, guys, our spaghetti sauce is done. Our garlic bread is done. Like your girl, it was filling up the aroma, was filling up the room. So I was like, let me hit broil. So it's done. You know, I have to catch it, you know, but it's still a little black on the back. You know, you can never go wrong with that. So we're gonna go ahead and take our pasta noodles that's been cooked in some salted water. And then this is our amazing, easy spaghetti sauce. Look how colorful that is. It is so beautiful. It's rich, it's flavorful. You can smell the seasonings coming out of all the herbs coming out of here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and add this to our pasta. I think I want 2 scoops on mine. Yes. We're gonna top it with a little basil. And yes, I'm gonna use this chopped up basil. And yes, I do have a garden with fresh basil, but I don't feel like going outside to get it. Okay, so I'm gonna use this basil right here to add some more flavor and some color. And then I'm going to take a piece of my lovely garlic bread with the black on the back. We're gonna add it to it for a complete meal. So let's go ahead and give this a try. So So we're getting ready to try this amazing spaghetti. You see how delicious this looks? Like, come on, y'all. Come get into this easy vegan spaghetti. This is what I be talking about. But just because it's vegan doesn't mean it has to be flavorless. And it's easy to make. So let's go. You know what I just thought about doing? Because I'm grown now and my mama can't tell me I can't make a spaghetti sandwich. So I'm going to take this garlic bread and I'm about to add this to it. This used to get on my mama's nerves. Like, I eating spaghetti sandwiches. Sure is. It just made it taste so much better. Oh my God, I ain't made a spaghetti sandwich in so long. Y'all don't even know the joy I have in my heart. It is about to get real ugly. So don't expect this taste test to be cute at all. Okay. It's hot though. When your food is bomb and you mix some nostalgia with it, ma'am, this is 12 out of 10. Absolutely amazing. I know you're gonna love this recipe and I cannot wait until you try this out. This should be on your dinner table like yesterday. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to Say What Is Vegan, where you're gonna find the best vegan recipes there is. I'm Chef Joya and I'll see you next time. Ciao.